Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from veedabella. This is V Nailed It's brand. She came out with her half hand and oh my goodness, I ordered it as soon as it came out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you. So this is her first hand that she came out with. I believe it was 2022. This is the full hand. It's a gorgeous hand. I've used it several times. I've just been finding the full hands are just heavy and it's hard to get them on stands. So she had a hack where she used like duct tape and put it in and then you could put something cute around it. So that's how I would do it. But now I just have it on display. I do use the single fingers though. But yes, this is inside the box. I did get the magnetic half hand. I got the color sand. It is posable. And what was cool is when you added on something, like I added on the 2-in-1 magnetic holder, it was 15% off. Whatever you added on was 15% off. So this is just the little packing slip. And we're going to see what else is in the box. But yes, so excited because I love half hands. I have a couple of half hands from another company and I just love them. This is a thank you card. Your purchase means so much to our small business. We hope you love it as much as we loved creating it, the Mendoza family. And then there is a little QR code for 15% off, which is awesome because I might get another one. So that's all that was in the box. And look at that beautiful box. I remember the packaging when I ordered the first hand, the full hand. It just has her website and then her Instagram, veedabella.com. I use code V and I save $12.99 on the hand and then 15% off the magnetic holder, $133.99 for everything. I just love the packaging. The black is just so sleek and elegant. I absolutely love it. Just gonna get everything out here and I love the bag. Wait till you see the bag. Just wanted to make sure there was nothing else in there. I love that box. There's a QR code here for detailed instructional videos. Please visit us at veedabella.com. Let me just say the videos come in handy because I should have watched it before I, started opening everything, but it's fine. But look at this bag. It says veedabella and it's like velvet. It is super pretty to keep your hand in. So we're just going to get the hand out here. I'm so excited. I wanted to do this in real time, but there's too much stuff going on. I had to film at a certain time. And so, yeah, I couldn't do that. But the nails already come attached on there, which is nice because the last hand we had to go ahead and glue it and do all that stuff. So they're already attached on there, which is nice. So then you can just put your working tip in there, as they call it, and then glue your tip that you're going to use, for your acrylic. Look at the hand. It has veins on it. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Honestly, this is my new favorite hand that I have. I love it. It's so pretty. But yes, the little veins and the fingers are it's just so nice, you guys. It's just very, very pretty. I like the size of the nail beds. Very pretty. It's, yes, the magnetic. I'm just loving it. I'm just comparing to the other hand. The other hand was a little bit bigger, and like I said, it was a little bit heavy, of course, because it's a full hand. I do have another brand too of a full hand, and I just don't really use the full hands anymore. So when she came out with the half, I was like, yes, I have to have it. And like I said, I want to order another one, or a couple to have like different shades. I think this is like the middle shade. I just wanted to get something kind of in the middle. And so this is the magnetic stand here that I'm taking out. And we do have to put a few parts together. That's the sticky part that you stick down. Now this is the one that I have from another brand. It's Red Iguana. And so I have it on a piece of tile, and yes, it fell off my desk and the tile broke. So yeah, I still use it though. I mean, it's fine. I use a practice hand all the time, you guys. Every time I do a design, I use a practice hand. So it's not like they're just sitting there. You can see in my videos, I always show this is the design I was going for. I always practice my designs first, or I just like to play around with my acrylics or stamping or anything just to have it there. So I do use my practice hands a few times a week. So they are getting used. This knob was really hard to turn. It's to adjust the height of it, you know, up and down. That one, yeah, you can slide it if you want it closer to you or far away. And I'm just putting it together. You want to loosen that little part there. Yeah, I had to loosen it, which you're supposed to take it completely off. I don't know. She does it different in the video, but basically it's the same thing. You just want to get that ball around that one part there, and then you just want to tighten that little, I don't know, I'm just going to call it a nut. I think that's what she called it. And then, yeah, you can slide it in it. But like I said, I wanted to move. I was like, how does this, I know it has to turn. I was like, I know it does. And see, there's a knob under there, and that's how you adjust if you want it closer to you or farther away. You just turn the knob to tighten it in place. You can, you know, move it however you want. But like I said, I had to go and watch the video because I was like, I know there's a way to, I didn't want to do it too hard because I was afraid I would, you know, break it. I was like, I don't want to break it. And of course it's not sturdy right now because you do want to suction it, either, you know, a piece of glass or tile or something. They actually have something, which I don't know why I didn't see it. Oh yeah, this little piece here, you want to put it on the hand first and then put it on. I just put it on the stand, but it's a strong magnet. Look at that. Very strong, but you do want to put that on the hand first. But yeah, very strong magnet. That thing is not moving. So she sells it's called an Artista palette, and it says veedabella on it. I'm going to show it here. But you can also use that not just for mixing your gels and stuff. You can use it to put the stand on. So I'm going to order, it's only $14.99, and then I have that 15% off. See, look it, she has it there. And then you can put your hand on it, which I did find, you'll see later on, I did find a piece of tile, another piece of tile. But you can take it off. You can take it off and move it, you know, if you want to put it somewhere else. So yeah, I want to order that because I think it just looks so pretty, and it's going to go with the hand, you know, with the brand on it. So yeah, I'm just trying to, she said the first time that screw is going to be very hard to turn. Not this one, but the other one. So I'm just moving this in so that it's a little more, doesn't move so much, you know, if it's out, if it's not secure. But yes, I did. So I finally did loosen that nut, and yeah, you can move it. And yes, I did find a piece of tile. I found one in the shed in a box, and it was the last one because there was another one and it was broken. So I'm just wiping with alcohol to make sure it's nice and clean so that it will stick, you know, the magnet will stick good. So you're just going to tear off this plastic, and you just want to make sure you line it up where you want it. I ended up taking the hand off because it was getting in the way, you know, especially with, you guys couldn't really see. So I was like, yeah, let me take it off. And it is so strong, I'm telling you guys. I love that stand. So I'm just going to place it where I want it. I kind of did it in the middle. That's where I did my other one. And then, yeah, you just push it down. And so I knew there was a way to secure it down because it was moving, you know. And I was like, I know, because my other one, the knob's in the back, or you just switch, you like push it down. So yeah, I had to, of course, watch the video. So there's a little lever in there, if you can see that. And I'm trying to get it so you guys can see. And so you just push that lever down, and it suctions the stand down to whatever surface. So yeah, so then it doesn't move. It's so secure. I absolutely love it. No complaints at all. I am so happy with my purchase. Like I said, I already want another one because I just love it. I'm definitely getting that palette though to put the hand on. I just think it's super cute. So yes, I'm just getting everything all adjusted, the height and, you know, all that. Like I said, you can bring it closer to you, and I just love it. It's just so pretty. It's just, oh, I just can't get enough. I love it. So I did not get they're called working tips. I already have some from another brand, and I just ordered them. So I was seeing if they fit. They do fit. Probably theirs will fit a little better at covering more of the nail bed. Because yeah, you have that natural nail on there, but then you do want to put they call it a working nail on top, and that's the one that you're going to put your forms or your nail tips or whatever you're going to use to do your extension. But these ones do fit in there. I'm going to show in a minute what brand they are. But yeah, I mean, they fit pretty good, but I probably will still get her tips just to see. But yeah, like I said, these are from Red Iguana. and I always use those in the Red Iguana hand. I just love them. I've tried other tips and they don't fit as good, so I just ordered the refill, like not even maybe like 2 weeks ago, because I go through them so fast, because like I said, I do use my practice hand, so I had to order some. And they do fit. I was trying to make sure I didn't like puncture anything. You want to be very careful when putting them in. But they fit, I mean, to get the job done. But like I said, when I do order that palette, I'll go ahead and just order the tips. You know, because you always want to try to order things that go with the brand. But yeah, it says on there like I for index, M for middle. So it tells you what finger they go in. But like I said, I will get her tips. I just was in such a hurry to get. I was afraid they were going to sell out. So I was like, I for sure want the hand and the the magnetic holder, of course. So I'm going to show you now just real quick how I work on my practice hand. I'm going to just buff the end where I'm going to be gluing my nail tip. And I'm just going to use some Model 1's nail glue. I'm actually really liking that nail glue. I actually do really like it. I usually use base coat, but that glue works really good. I've been using that when I adhere my tips for doing acrylic. Excuse me, my voice, my throat's been getting super dry today. I don't know what it is. So yes, I'm just going to glue the tip on. Just hold it there for a few seconds. I'm just going to show Tuna. I'm just measuring to make sure it fits. Putting some glue and then just holding it down for a couple seconds. And then I am going to cut the tips down. And yes, just, oh, I just love it. Everything, yeah, I'm just filing just the ends just a little bit. And then we're going to go in with, I have this not polished monomer. I've had it for years and I use it just for practicing. It's okay, but I love Zoulay's and I don't want to waste my Zoulay's. I actually have to order more Zoulay monomer. Because hers, I noticed, works with all different brands. Some other ones, they just don't. I mean, for practicing is fine, but you can tell a difference of how it makes the acrylics, you know, apply. So yeah, I just love the Zoulay monomer, but I'm just going to go in and this is what I was going to practice anyways, you guys. I don't know if you can guess what the next set is going to be. I'm using Dream Nails. Gosh, what was it called? Was it Icy Blue? Sorry, I'll have to go back and look. I didn't see I was gabbing, so I didn't notice. And then the glitter one is Mystic Acrylics, and it's the Peep Jelly blue. So I just wanted to use this light blue as a background to put that glitter on, because if you don't, I mean, the glitter, excuse me, the acrylic is going to be jelly, the glitter one, because it is a jelly. But I wanted to have a little bit more of the blue coming through, so that's why I'm using this for the background. But yes, I'm loving the hand. It's so nice to hold in your hand. I don't know, it just feels so nice. I absolutely love it. Honestly, I do. I love it. And so yeah, I'm just going to be just applying the rest of this solid color. And then now we're going to go in with the Mystic Acrylics, the glitter, and I'm just going to put that right on top. Like I said, I wanted to have a blue background, so let me know. I'm not going to say anything. Let me know if you guys can guess what set will be coming up next with this blue and the glitter. But it's beautiful. Oh, I just love the glitter. Is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, how pretty. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys how I use my practice hand. Like, I'm going to go and do the next nail. I'm not going to show it, but I'm going to do an ombre and see how that looks with the solid color and the glitter. I am so happy with my purchase, you guys. And yes, when I file, I do take the tips out because I ruined one of my Red Iguana. The ring finger is split at the cuticle. I'll have to get the repair kit. But this is my new, I'm going to be using this hand. I just absolutely love it. So yes, you just take it out and file. I have no complaints. Go check it. Check her out, please. veedabella.com. Yes, I will see you guys next time. Bye.